To send cryptocurrency to Changelly, you will need to have a basic understanding of how cryptocurrency transactions work and have a digital wallet set up. Changelly is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to exchange one cryptocurrency for another. First, you need to create an account on Changelly if you don't already have one. Go to the Changelly website and click on the Sign Up button. Then follow the instructions to create your account. Once your account is set up, you can proceed to the next step. Next, you need to obtain the deposit address for the cryptocurrency you want to send to Changelly. To do this, log into your Changelly account and navigate to the exchange page. Select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange and the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Then click on the Exchange button. On the next page, you will see the deposit address for the cryptocurrency you want to send. Now, you need to send the cryptocurrency from your digital wallet to the Changelly deposit address. To do this, open your digital wallet and navigate to the Send page. Enter the Changelly deposit address in the recipient field. Then enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Make sure to double-check the address and amount before confirming the transaction. Once you have confirmed the transaction, the cryptocurrency will be sent from your digital wallet to the Changelly deposit address. This may take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain network. After the transaction has been confirmed, you can proceed to the next step. On the Changelly website, you will see the status of your transaction. Once the transaction has been confirmed, you can proceed with the exchange. Select the exchange rate and confirm the transaction. The cryptocurrency will then be exchanged for the desired cryptocurrency and sent to your digital wallet. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, so make sure to double-check all the details before confirming a transaction. Additionally, always use a secure and reputable digital wallet to store your cryptocurrency. And never share your private keys or wallet password with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely send cryptocurrency to Changelly and exchange it for other cryptocurrencies.